It's March the 1st. You're seeing two photographs of my solar array on the north side of my house. In earlier videos, you saw the same array of solar panels, but I was trying to depict the solar panels that were being shaded. In these two photos, you will see that there is no more shading. The sun's high enough in the sky that it doesn't matter. The first two photos are from March the 1st at 9:30, and the second two photos are March 1st, 10:45. Temperature outside is 12 degrees, but you can see the power of the sun here is heating up those panels, and the more they heat up, the more power they produce. These panels are approximately 12 years old, and they are still producing 80% of literature value after 12 years. I expect to get 10 or 15 more years out of them with no problem. These were purchased out of Florida, and I'm very tickled with them. We will continue. New subject coming up. Full grid tie system. There are some things that are missing. Won't go into it now. One of them being the RSD, which is rapid shutdown unit, and that has to be mounted within 1 foot of your solar array. Photo, the very first thing you're going to notice is there aren't any lines coming in from the power company. This is a totally off-grid system. These systems are okay. There are many places in Michigan where you can't afford to have the power line run into your property, and or it is unable to be brought in. And that makes it a totally off-grid system. I'm going to talk a little bit about what it takes to be a grid tie system, and that is everything you use must be UL listed, certified, or approved. Okay? I'm going to put that out there. I am not an electrical engineer, but I do know that everything, if you're going to try to get it past the building code and attach to your power grid, whomever is your power grid, everything has to be UL approved, certified, or tested to UL standards. Okay? If you attach things that are not UL approved to it, and you have a home fire and it's deemed electrical and it's deemed from your power setup, buddy, you're on your own. You better have a damn good lawyer, and even then you probably will not prevail. Yes, now or more, do your own due diligence. Go look, go find out. Don't depend on anybody else to tell you what is correct and what isn't correct. You are the boss of this program, and you have to take responsibility for it. Again, I am not a licensed electrician. I am only giving advice or my opinion, and you know what opinions are. It's kind of like a-holes. Everybody's got one. Okay, now we're getting into the sites that are no longer recognized, meaning they do not pay for the listings on UL testing certification, and that doesn't mean that a product that has their name on it is not or was not approved to their standards at the time they were approved. Again, your due diligence. You got to get off your butt and do a little something. I'm saying goodbye for now. Bye-bye, ta-ta, have fun. Solar is addicting. Solar is very addicting. It's easy to see how people get wrapped up in it. Uh, it's almost a drug. It's a wonderful thing. Please tell me what you think of some of these videos. Just trying to keep you informed and let you know what's going on. Please hit the subscribe button, and thank you very much for sharing your time with me. Goodbye.